In this question, we are given a figure. This is a right angle triangle ABC, and it has an equilateral triangle BCD inside it. You have to find the area of the shaded portion. So we have to find the area of this part. It's given in the question that this is a right angle triangle and this is an equilateral triangle. Because BCD is an equilateral triangle, so it will have all the three sides equal. So if this is 8, this is also going to be 8 and this is also going to be 8. These three sides are going to be equal. Now for this side, we can take this as say x. This whole side is x. Now we can find the value of x by using Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So here x square plus 8 square is equal to 16 square. So we'll get the value of x square. X square will be 16 square, that is 256 minus 8 square, that is 64. So x square is coming as 256 minus 64. So 192. X can be written as under root 192. But we can also do the factors of 192. If we think about 192, it's basically 64 into 3. So 8 into 8 into 3. This is going to make a pair. So x is coming as 8 under root 3. This is the value of x. Now this is an equilateral triangle. So we can directly find the area of this equilateral triangle by its formula. I'll just derive the formula also for you if you want that. And please do this. So let me show you how we get the formula of an equilateral triangle. But you can use it directly also. That's not an issue. Say this is an equilateral triangle. It has side A, and A. Now, if we put a perpendicular from this side to the base, because it's equilateral triangle, it's going to break into two equal parts. The whole line is equal to A, so this part will be A by 2. Say this is H for height. So here we'll use Pythagoras theorem. H square plus A by 2 square perpendicular square plus base square is coming as hypotenuse square. So height square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. We'll take the LCM 4A square minus 1A square. So we'll get 3A square by 4. So height is coming as the under root of this. So root 3A by 2. Now from here you know the area of triangle formula. Half into base into height. Base is the base of this whole triangle, that is A. And height is the height of the triangle that we just calculated. Root 3A upon. So area of an equilateral triangle in this formula you can directly use is root 3 by 4 into side square. We'll use this formula here. So this will be area of this equilateral triangle will be root 3 by 4 into 8 square. So by this we'll get, this will cancel 2 times. So the area is coming as 16 root 3. This is the area of triangle BDC. It's coming as 16 root 3. And we can find the area of this whole triangle also. Area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into base into height. This is a right angle triangle. For right angle triangle, one of these sides is the base, other will be the height. So half into base can be 8, then height will be 8 root 3. This is going to cancel 4 times. So this would be 32 root 3. Now we have the area of this whole triangle and we have the area of this equilateral triangle. So the shaded portion, that is area of triangle, ABD, will be equal to the area of the whole triangle, that is coming as 32 root 3, minus area of the equilateral triangle, that's coming as 16 root 3. Now they both have root 3 multiplied, so they are like terms. We can directly subtract them. This is going to be 16 root 3. This is the answer. This is the area of this remaining shaded portion. And I'll say this again. Please remember to do this.